FBA competitor keyword research. FBA competitor keyword research is the process of finding and analyzing the keywords that your competitors are using to rank their products on Amazon. This method helps sellers uncover high traffic, profitable search terms that can boost product visibility and sales. By studying competitor keywords, you can identify what's working in your niche and apply those insights to optimize your own product listings. The main goal of competitor keyword research is to understand the strategies that successful sellers are already using. By tracking which keywords drive traffic to their listings, you can identify trends, seasonal opportunities, and hidden keywords that your competitors may be targeting. This approach ensures your product appears in relevant searches and helps you stay competitive in the marketplace. Many Amazon sellers use specialized tools to perform this analysis effectively. These tools show you competitor ranking positions, estimated search volumes, and keyword difficulty scores. With this data, you can fine-tune your titles, bullet points, and back-end keywords to maximize exposure and conversion rates, allowing your listings to outperform competitors. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to conduct powerful FBA competitor keyword research and grow your Amazon business like a pro.